George Lopez! Bullet? Bro, what football club is that? What the fuck is a Dub? Bro, there's no way it's a football club named Dub. Yo, chat, why does Spain and Mexico has the same flag?
What?
Like, so y'all never thought about that? Like, Spain and Mexico has the, like, literally the same flag?
Sit the fuck down.
Canada? Oh! Anthony Davis! Yes! Mexico! Germany. Versailles!
Oh, hell no!
Oh my god, Netherlands, bro. Borja Iglesias. Snogmini.
Bruh.
Spinalagazolo. Batolia.